Hi everyone. Now I am in TSC in Dhaka University. In the front outside of TSC, you can see there are just so many jam and there are so many people every time in here. When you will become in this area also is so many people in all time, but today is the special day because today is the 21st February in our country, and there is so many there is a story in this day. It's our holiday, though today is a Friday, also holiday, national holiday. Yeah, this is a TSC. You can see there are so many shops and so many motorcycles in here, and the TSC, you see, and so many beautiful girls, and you can see there is so many dove and so many people, girls and boys, husband and wife, girlfriend and boyfriend, they're also in this area. You can see if you will come, you will see many people and varieties type of people and varieties cultural. They follow varieties culture, and these people sometimes you can see there's so many girls, they use shari, and boys they use Punjabi, and another couple you see the kameez and t-shirt. There are so many culture follow in the problem, and sometimes you will be see there are so many boys and they use t-shirt. Yeah, so many jam. Now you can see there is a Chirunnato Momoshir, and you see there is a Hasina, fascist Hasina, I mean I think
পুলিশের শীর্ষ পর্যায়ের কর্মকর্তাদের হিংস্র ও বর্বর আদেশে শিশু কিশোর সহ বহু মানুষকে মাঠ পর্যায়ে পুলিশ সদস্যরা হত্যা করেছেন। রাজধানীর বনশ্রী এলাকার একটি ভিডিও ফুটেজে দেখা যায়